Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2025 Chrysler Voyager? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Underhood Power Distribution Center. The Underhood Power Distribution Center, PDC, in the 2025 Chrysler Voyager is a critical component of the vehicle's electrical system. It houses cartridge fuses and mini fuses that protect various electrical circuits, including those for the engine control module, lighting systems, and climate control. This centralized configuration enhances the vehicle's reliability and simplifies maintenance by consolidating essential electrical protections in a single accessible location. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.